Hi everyone, this is Ms. DeLu, and this is the introduction to our unit for Language and Literature 8, Describing My Reality. We'll start with the statement of inquiry. Style and self-expression craft creativity. During this video, I want you to have out your Introduction to Describing My Reality guided notes. They'll look like this. To understand the statement of inquiry, it's best to start with some of the definitions. The first definition is for style, a manner or way of doing something. The second one, expression, the expression of one's feelings, thoughts, or ideas, especially in writing, music, or art. Craft is a skill in making something. And creativity is the use of imagination or an original ideas in the production of an artistic work. Now let's do some vocabulary practice. First, how would you describe Beyoncé's style? Second, what is something you consider to be part of your personal style? Is it your hair, clothing, speech, the way you walk, or other? You could put more than one down for this response. What is one way you demonstrate self-expression? What is each person's craft? Remember, if you're not sure what craft means, go back to the definitions. And we've got 6 different people: Lady Gaga, William Shakespeare, Serena Williams, Childish Gambino, Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, and Donatella Versace. If you're not sure who they are, you can Google them. Can someone have more than one craft? What are some of the ways that one can show creativity? Next, we're going to look at some inquiry questioning. The first one is conceptual. How does a particular style of writing engage a reader? So think about books that you've liked and what has made them appealing to you. So write down about your own experience, and you can be sharing this with a partner in the class later. The next inquiry questioning is debatable. To what extent is one's creativity influenced by others? Just write what you think, and we'll have that conversation later. Now let's look at the summative assessment. We'll start with the GRASP. The GRASP stands for goal, role, audience, situation, and product. So the goal is to show your understanding of how style and self-expression creates your individual creativity in writing. Your role is that you are an author. The audience is other student authors. The situation is you are starting 8th grade and reflecting back on your life so far. You want to describe your reality in a creative and stylish manner. The product will be that you'll write a 5-vignette anthology that will describe your reality by incorporating stylistic choices such as figurative language, imagery, and dialogue. To continue the summative assessment, as we read The House on Mango Street by Sandra Cisneros, you will identify how she uses her style via figurative language, imagery, and dialogue to describe her personal experiences, which shaped her reality growing up. Then you will use figurative language and other forms of creativity and style to describe your own personal experiences, which have shaped your reality through your life. More details to come. You'll be assessed under the criterion of producing text on 2 different measures. One is producing texts that demonstrate thought, imagination, and sensitivity while exploring new perspectives and ideas arising from personal engagement with the creative process. And the second one is make stylistic choices in terms of linguistic, literary, and visual devices, demonstrating awareness of impact on the audience. While we complete this unit, we'll be using 3 different learner profiles. One is thinkers, because we have to use creative thinking skills. The second one is you'll be communicators. We express ourselves confidently and creatively in many ways. And last one will be reflective. We thoughtfully consider the world and our own ideas and experiences. Be ready to share some of your responses on your guided notes with your classmates.